Here we take care of accident victims, both, let's say, trauma cases. It could be through accident or from fall from height, drowning, and all those things pertaining to accident.
I had an encounter with some intruders in my house. My neighbor called me around 11 a.m. that he saw about 4 guys around my house, so I should be careful. I said, what for? So later on, I also went out to spy. I did not see anybody. So I said, then I'll go out behind my window. So I passed just behind the house to climb a wall to go to the next house so that I can view whoever was in the compound. Unfortunately, I fell in a hole and I got my leg broken. So the neighbor rushed me to Korle Bu on that fateful day. And the following day, I had a procedure. They did a theater for me.
The Accident and Emergency Center, that's where the casualty unit is. And that's where the fresh cases, it could be burn, it could be drowning, fire, road accident, motor, car, fall from height, and any other that could be received there and then treated before they are referred or transported to the various wards.
In packaging amokwe tema community 25 ni kakuba shinamio eba chona nino no jino ni kemba biene anukwale mi afome koligono bi ameyu aisho ka abkebo ba hospital biene kolibu bi nurses here staff ko wanyo tash nurses banye fuda enyemo phone no e feel like certain things ameyu opi shabini yana accident me na kemba kolibu. So far, so good. Every second, skin care like in relatives ko kraba and apart from nurses, ke doctors say. Before bin ma care like no in touch. Afiam.
Before God and man, I'm so overwhelmed. When you're outside Korle Bu, you hear a lot of stories. The doctors will kill you, the nurses are not serious, whatever. But when I came here, all the stakeholders involved in medical assistance, I was given the 100%. The physicians will come, the dietitians will come, the physiotherapists will come, the doctors will come. The nurses will be available at all times. You call the nurse. If you make any small noise, they'll ask you, what is the issue? I'm so astonished about the services I'm receiving now.
There is a misconception that, like, when cases of this nature, that's road accident, and then there are, let's say, a breaking bone and those things, when they come, mostly they will be amputated, especially from the motor riders. So some even don't want to be brought here. They want to be sent home for treatment. But you can attest to all the accident victims you've seen that till your case is declared that maybe that body part is not viable to like live, no amputation is done.
Na chake mo pi biene mi san ke mi ai ko abachim ke akemba fi non ma fi e kunya scan ya fi lab akemba nit akemba mi to famo mi ke ni bi fe doctor say on by in time ababa levi every second doctor ba ko no every second doctor ba ko no levi baba 2 hours time 3 hours time doctor baba 2 hours time doctor baba every second samenye wa me ko no fine.
And I've been told what all the doctors are. Is that how you people work here? People mention a lot of things about you and they say, wow. And unfortunately, I'm diabetic and they give me the best of time to cater for my wound. You know, diabetes don't go with, when you have a sore on your leg, it's very serious. it takes time to recover. And they've gone through all the processes to ensure that I get my good health and go back home.
Wherever you go, this is where we train. This is where the top-notch doctors and the nurses are. And then the service we give, if not, let's say, lack of certain things, I would say is comparable to any part of the world treatment.
For all that you've done, I say thank you, Korle Bu.
Ene nke bi oshida kinya Korle Bu aishin. Korle Bu oyo wala don. Thank you, Korle Bu.
So with all this opportunity Korle Bu has given us by training us, giving us employment, giving us the chance to also serve humanity on this 100th anniversary, we want to say thank you, Korle Bu.